Goals are critical to any video marketing campaign. If you don't know what you're trying to accomplish with a campaign, how can you determine whether it has been a success or a failure? So if you want to create video content that will really benefit your business and deliver you actual ROI, you need to keep it locked right here. In this video series, I will take you through the vital planning steps which will allow you to build that critical foundation from which to build your video content. Without this planning stage, you risk producing video in a scattergun way with no focus on audience or business goals. Videos which ultimately may cost you money and time, but ultimately won't perform in the way that you want or need as a business. And in this video, I'm going to guide you through goal setting, the first vital step toward you creating a video marketing strategy for your business. I'm Jeremy, I'm a video creator and video marketer, and I've been producing video for over 20 years in UK broadcast TV as a cameraman, DP and producer. I've also been a business owner for the past 15 years, and I'm on a mission to help business owners like you create effective video that will help drive your business growth. And this channel is all about that, helping business owners, entrepreneurs and marketers get the most out of video marketing to help their businesses grow. So if that is up your street, I'd love you to subscribe. Before you go anywhere near pressing record on your video, you need to do some strategic thinking in terms of what the role of video is in your business. So first up, ask yourself, what do you need more of in your business right now? What is missing that you want video marketing to help you achieve? Video is such a powerful medium. It can be used for so many things. It's really important that you zero in on what results you'd like your video content to deliver for you. This will determine the kind of content that you need to produce, and in turn will inform the audience you need to target with your video content. Making sure you're clear, crystal clear about your goals really does determine the direction of so many aspects of your video marketing strategy. So it's really worthwhile investing time in digging down and asking yourself these questions and getting clear answers which will point your way forward. So once more, what does your business need more of? What are you currently lacking? Do you need more people coming through your doors? Is your business not working well because you've not got enough volume in terms of custom? Are you at capacity customer wise, but are you missing opportunities within your sales process to increase the value of sales you're making per client that comes through your door? Or are you struggling to get repeat clients, which is such a powerful way of creating a sustainable business? So you need to encourage your clients to return more often. So in a nutshell, are you after more traffic and awareness, more customer spend per client, or increasing the lifetime value of your clients? Now, it could be that your business needs more than one of those things, in which case that's fine, but you do need to prioritize and formulate a plan more widely in terms of business development that enables you to concentrate on and tackle your goals one at a time. Listen, I hope you're getting loads of value so far. Coming up, I'm going to share a great tool for distilling your goals into actionable nuggets that you can actually measure. But before that, a shameless shout out to smash the cheeky old like button, as is customary on the YouTubes, and consider subscribing for more video marketing goodness like this. Also, please do share this video with anyone who you think it would be useful for. We're all about empowering business owners, entrepreneurs and marketers to get the most out of video marketing. That is what this channel is all about. So within the basic 3 areas of business optimization, there are a myriad of ways to create and structure video campaigns to help meet those goals. The point is, once you understand and have clarity over what it is you want to achieve with your video content, the more likely you are to be able to create video content that will get you there. So once you've decided on your overall goal, it's time to really zero in and be much more specific. And this is where SMART goals come in. SMART: specific, so the goal is clearly understood. Measurable, the goal and progress towards it can be measured. Achievable, the goal is actually realistic. Relevant, the goal aligns with your marketing strategy. And timely, the goal is bound by a specific time frame. So by using the SMART goals, you can put in place measurable outcomes that you want to achieve and then put a timescale on it. So the bottom line here is we're transforming an overall business objective. For example, we need more customers / traffic into our business, into something smaller and much more measurable, almost kind of on a campaign level. So let's assume we want to get more customers into our business. Using the SMART goal system, we would end up with a goal like, we want to increase our monthly web traffic by 50% from Facebook by the end of this financial year. So that is specific. There's no mistake, and we're talking about web traffic, and that is what the goal is about. It's measurable. Web visitors are easily measurable with analytics and such like. It's achievable. 50% increase over 12 months. That's realistic. It's relevant. Increasing web traffic from Facebook or a social platform is a desired video marketing result, and it's timely. This goal must be achieved by the end of the financial year, so you've put a definitive date on it. So by distilling our overall goals like this, we've ended up with actionable, measurable targets that we can then create video content and video campaigns around to hit. Also, the fact that we've set a timeline to all this too means that we can track our progress towards that goal over time. I hope you got value from this video. Make sure that you click on the screen in a second for the follow-up video to this one, where we continue our journey toward creating a video marketing strategy. And that one, we're going to turn our attention to the audience. So click on the following video for that. Listen, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.